Hey everybody, Jeff here and welcome back to the channel. Man, this is going to be the most useful video you've ever seen here on our channel. Why? Because this right here, we think, is the single best Dewalt toolkit deal ever that we've ever seen. And why is that? Because if you look at the total of all the tools that are in this kit, they total $1,297. And if you get it at this current Black Friday price here that Home Depot is offering it at, then Home Depot is going to save you $798 off of this kit. Okay, now those of you who know us and you know our channel, you know I have hacks, people, all right? So we're also going to show you how to save an additional $50 off of the already unbelievable stellar Black Friday savings that Home Depot is giving you. And we're going to show you how to save $848 off of your new Dewalt kit. Hey, but look folks, it's not all champagne and caviar celebrations and high fives here. We got a bunch of warnings to give you here on this before you rush out there to buy it, okay? So pay special attention. Those of you who've seen enough of our videos, you know that I like to use these 10% off Lowe's coupons at Home Depot, which they accept as a competitor discount. This is the only coupon that they will take there at Home Depot, okay? So I took this in there and presented it and I got another 10% off. And then here you can see I took some video and I took a screenshot here while I was at the register to show you right there on the register exactly what you will see when you present the Home Depot cashiers with your 10% off Lowe's coupon, and they then proceed to take the 10% off. You'll see it right there on cash register. And you will also see it there on the little card reader where you insert your credit card. You'll see it right there on the screen. So you can see that using the Lowe's 10% off coupon and going up to the register with this, I paid exactly $449.10 instead of the $499 that Home Depot was advertising in their Black Friday ad. So while the rest of the world is busy out there paying full price on still a pretty excellent price, I would say, you and I are high-fiving folks because we're getting much more icing on our cake, aren't we? Yes, that's why you come here to this channel. So as you look closely here on the receipt, you can see here where exactly where it says the Lowe's 10% off coupon, and then it says $49.90 on there as the discount. Now we usually buy these on eBay. We do a search for 10% off Lowe's coupons and we'll find them there. And remember, these can only be used at Home Depot as a competitor discount because these are collected up cards that have been used at Lowe's already. So here you can see me posing with my new acquisition at the Deerfield Beach Home Depot store yesterday. This is the way you do it, folks.
This is the way.
This is the way. This is the way.
Okay, so first I want to give you some tips and warnings on purchasing this kit to make sure you're getting the right kit first and that you get it at the right price, and that you avoid some issues that are going on there right now. And also, we're going to do a very quick just box opening and show you all of the tools that are in here, so you know exactly which tool you're getting and which model. A lot of times they make mistakes on the websites and they itemize things wrong. And in fact, originally last week they had this itemized wrong. They were showing this box as a Dewalt Tough System 2.0 box, but it's not. This is a Tough System 1.0 rolling box. This is the previous generation box. Okay, now if you don't have a Lowe's coupon, other ways you can save money on this kit, 10%, would be if you're a military person. So if you have a military discount, and I forget if you have to set it up in advance with Home Depot like you do at Lowe's, where you're in the system, you're in the account there. I don't know if you have to do that, but so you want to make sure you look at that ahead of time. You don't want to be sitting there at the cash register when the rubber hits the road trying to figure out, oh no, I got to be all set up and approved and blah. So make sure you got that taken care of. The other way that you can save money on this Dewalt 6-tool Flexvolt Advantage kit is to sign up for the Home Depot credit card right when you're paying. So a lot of times they'll either give you $50 or $100. I've heard like 5% off it, whatever. There's usually some sort of major discount going on if you sign up for a credit card that day. That could save you a few more dollars. But of course, to me, this is the easiest mode of saving the 10% off is by using this coupon here, because you don't have to go through any kind of rigmarole. You don't need to sign up for a credit card or go through any approvals or process for being a military person. You just give them this and you're done. Game over. You win. Okay, now warning. Warning. Danger, Will Robinson. All right, pay attention, folks. Each of your stores is only getting between 4 and 6 of these, and that's it. They're not going to keep filling up the supply and filling up the supply. If you look at all of the Black Friday prices in the flyer, it all says the same thing, while supplies last. And if you guys have been watching our streams and any of the other tool streams out there the last 6 months, you know those stores were wiped almost bare, man, because tool shortages, hurricanes, everything's created a demand for tools while all the factories overseas were shut down. And guess what? Europe and other countries are starting to shut back down again. That means there could be trouble all over again. Do not wait. Don't think, oh, well, Black Friday starts on November 8th. It's in your store now. I bought mine yesterday. Get in there and get it because they're disappearing rapidly. Okay, now I will put a link to this exact kit for you down in the video description below so you can just go straight to it on Home Depot to order it, because you can order it online right now and it's free delivery to your house, or you can pick it up in the store. But that's my recommended method of you getting it because there's so few of these and most people don't even know where to find them when they get into the stores either. And by the way, just so you guys know, as a disclosure, anytime we provide you product links, there's usually a commission that we're going to earn on it, like if it goes to Amazon or to Home Depot and all that. And so we appreciate your supporting our channel that way. When you buy products through those links, that enables us to keep going back to buy more and more tools like this and to produce more expensive videos like you're seeing here. Our production costs are quite high, so we appreciate your support in that. Our stores actually got a later jump than other stores. We were reporting this to you in our video last week, which I'll put in the video description for you as well down below, so you can go check that out. But a number of you had responded back to us last week that you went and bought 2 or 3 or 4 of these in your store. I think one guy told me he went and bought 6 of these guys. So that's the kind of competition you're facing out there to get your hands on one of these kits, because everybody wants them. All right, I have another warning for you folks. Warning, warning, danger, Will Robinson, danger. There is another toolkit out there that Dewalt makes that looks exactly like this one, except it's a 7-tool kit. Okay, this is the 6-tool kit, the Flexvolt Advantage. The other one is a 7-tool kit. And now I did a video on that one, which I'll put a link to down below for you as well. We did a video on that last week comparing these 2 kits. So you might want to look at that to see, well, who knows? Maybe you don't want this kit. Maybe you do want the other kit. But the other kit also has, I think, 3 or 4 tools in it that are not brushless. I believe every one of these is brushless in this kit here. But what makes this kit so powerful here is the fact that at the very core of this kit, ladies and gentlemen, are these 2 tools. Awesome, awesome tools. This is the Flexfold Advantage circular saw and the Flexfold Advantage angle grinder. These 2 were just announced by Dewalt on September 22nd. And amazingly, they're already in the stores now, which is incredible. And so these 2, if you hook up Flexvolt batteries to them, will actually give you more output. And I believe on one of their tools, they were claiming like 42% more power out by using the Flexvolt battery. So these are what everybody is saying. These are probably just Home Depot's version of the power detect tools that they sell over at Lowe's. The power detect tools only work with an 8 amp hour battery over at Lowe's. And once they sense that 8 amp battery, they do the same thing. They give you more power out and probably roughly the same amount of power. I think it's just a marketing software change between the 2 stores so they could be exclusive. So Lowe's has the power detect and Home Depot has the Flexvolt Advantage. And remember, this kit also comes with 2 4 amp hour batteries that are, I believe, are currently going for $179 on sale for 2 batteries. So you can just see the power of how much this whole toolkit is worth. And even though it says $1251 on the box is how much all of the tools are worth, I calculated $1,297 based on entering every one of these items onto the website, on Home Depot's website, and getting that price. I mean, as you can see, this Dewalt Tough System 1.0 box all by itself, this is the rolling box, the large rolling tool box. This is worth, I think, $80 on its own. Okay, let's open her up. Oh, don't tell me I gotta clip that stupid thing. Ta-da! And I like this. Dewalt has never really been big on wasting a whole lot of packing materials. This is all recyclable. And as you know, they usually just pack tools right into the kits. There's nothing fancy about it. Okay, so the first tool that we're getting here is the angle grinder. Let me pull this out of the bag there. Oh, this is a beast, man. I love this thing. Love it already. This angle grinder is $199 if you were to buy it off the website. Okay, so this DeWalt Flexvolt Advantage angle grinder is the DCD416. $199. All right, next up on the bill in our House of Audeville, folks, we have, oh, I love this one already, and it's so compact too. Look at this beauty right here, folks. This is the impact wrench. And this guy is $169. Now this right here is the DeWalt DCF890 impact wrench. Now, I'm not sure if this is brushless. I think it is. It doesn't really say it on here, but I've had a few people tell me that it is. So I need to research it a little more. I don't think it specifically stated it when you pull this up on Home Depot's website. Okay, now we've got the hammer drill here. And man, is this a small little booger of a hammer drill. Holy cow. All right, so this is the atomic hammer drill right here. This is the DCF709 hammer drill. $139. Okay, now this other bag here looks like it contains our handle for the hammer drill, as well as, hey, a blade for the multi-tool, and some other hardware and belt clips, and some of the owner's manuals are in here as well. Digging in deep and getting a good grip, because this one's the biggie. This is Bertha. Oh yeah, baby. This right here is our Flexvolt Advantage circ saw. It says it right there. Okay, so this here is that new Flexvolt Advantage circ saw. This is the DeWalt DCS573 here. Now, the one I owned previously, and I still have it, is the Flexvolt DCS575. Now, I did a great tool review video on that saw back in January. And in case you missed it, I'll put a link to that down in the description for you so you can check that video out. And if you by checking out that video, you're essentially looking at this exact same saw. All of the dimensions, everything else on here is exactly the same. The 2 9/16 inch cut depth here at 90 degrees. The same RPMs. The only thing that's different is this, I think, gives you a stronger output power, because even though mine is a Flexvolt battery as well, somehow they're saying that these are able to give you more power out. So that'd be interesting to see. We have the atomic multi-tool here. Okay, now this one feels just really good in the hands. I mean, man. Now, as you know, I already have a multi-tool in the other kit that I bought. If you guys saw all of those videos I've been showing you since August, every time we went into Lowe's and we showed you all of those live streams on how to find that DeWalt 3-tool woodworking kit for $299 over at Lowe's, because it's $100 off. But anyway, we'll probably give this one away since I've already got the other multi-tool. Some of the tools in here, I'm going to decide which ones I want to give away and which ones I want to keep. All right, so this DeWalt Atomic Series multi-tool, this is a brushless tool. This has a DeWalt part number of DCS364. And this has a normal price of $139. Okay, now we pull out here the impact driver, also from the Atomic series here. And this has a retail price of $169. And this cute little DeWalt Atomic series impact driver has a model number here of DCF809. Now let me give you another warning too about not being so eager to throw out all of the cardboard right away. Because on the floor of the box is a piece of cardboard that if you weren't looking at it very carefully, you wouldn't notice. There's a sign in here that says, "Do not throw this away." There's accessories. See, inside of this one is the blade for your circ saw. Right there. See that 24 tooth framing. Okay, now inside the kit also are these two. We have two 4 amp hour batteries. Let me just double check, make sure that's what we got. Yep, two XR 4 amp hour batteries. Now if you were to buy these two 4 amp hour batteries right now on the website, it'd be $179 for these two. And then of course here we have the battery charger included in the kit as well. And gosh, I got a million of this model here. I've got like half a dozen I need to put up on eBay because I've collected up so many of these. You know, it would have been even sweeter if they included one of the newer yellow chargers as well, or maybe even a Flexvolt battery would have been sweet because you have the Flexvolt Advantage. See, you see how they get you? Because now you have to go buy a Flexvolt battery if you want to take advantage with your Flexvolt Advantage. Okay, so this is the DeWalt DCB115 battery charger. And chances are, folks, that if any of you own any DeWalt tools, you probably have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or 7 of these lying around. Well, what do you think, folks? Huh? Here's the whole kit and caboodle. What an impressive array of tools, brushless tools, folks. Let me tell you, if you show up at that job site tomorrow with this kit in hand, you are going to be the envy of every single person there. Even people 20 years your senior are going to be like, dude, what? What an incredible set and an incredible price. And that's why we think that this is the best DeWalt tool deal we've ever seen. What do you think? Do you agree with that? Or have you seen any DeWalt deals that saved more money than this? Let us know down in the comments. That's our question of the day. So what do you think, huh? $449.10 for all of this beauty right here. This is the way you do it, folks. Well, I certainly hope you're finding this video useful so far, and if you are, hey, do us a favor, would you please give us a thumbs up down below that tells us that you like us. And if you're not subscribed to this channel yet, folks, man, why not? You see the great quality of videos we give you, the world-class videos on remodeling your homes and tiling your floors, doing your kitchens and your bathrooms, and engineering disasters, and how to fix major problems and tiling and all sorts of stuff like that. So if you're not subscribed to our channel, make sure you click on that subscribe button down below there, right? And when you do that, click that little gray bell icon. That tells YouTube to alert you every time we upload a video, because man, you don't want to miss one of our videos, folks. You miss a deal like this, you just left $800 on the table. So thank you so much for joining us this week, folks, and we will see you on the next one.